Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compare N8n versus Node Red, best automation tool for your 2025 workflow. So first, N8n. It's an open source visual workflow platform built for modern backend and AI automation. You drag and drop nodes for APIs, database, AI agents, add code nodes when needed, and instantly debug flows. It supports hundreds of integrations, strong enterprise controls like role-based access, SAML, 2FA, and self-hosting options. There's also a cloud plan if you want collaboration without managing servers. The latest version added improved canvas organization template and enhanced debugging. Next up, Node Red. This flow-based tool built on Node.js since 2013 excels in IoT and hardware automation. Its browser editor lets you wire hardware APIs, messaging protocols like MQTT, co-appets, and deploy flows. In one click, you will find thousands of community-built nodes for PLC sensors, dashboard, or custom JS logic. It's free under Apache 2.00 and powered by a huge global community. Version 4.0 came about in June 2024, and the latest 4.0.9 dropped on February 14, 2025, adding vigilant mode, better environment, variable support, and smarter sidebar features. Why choose one over the other? Go with N8n if you're building backend workflows, AI-powered pipelines, SAS integration, or enterprise automation. It's slick logic, secure and designed for data-heavy branching workflows. Use Node-RED if you're wiring edge devices, sensors, industrial system, or IoT networks. Its hardware connectivity and protocol support are unmatched. In summary, N8n equals powerful modern tool for business and all-centric workflows. Node-RED equals unmatched choice for device-driven IoT and industrial automation. Choose N8n for backend logic, API orchestration, and AI. Pick Node-RED for hardware sensors and edge deployments. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.